beauties, it's me, Allegra. I got a lot of questions the other day after I posted about my Cosbeauty IPL at-home laser hair removal. I got so many questions about how exactly do I use it, so I figured I would hop on today and answer some of those questions and do a laser hair removal 2022 video and share how exactly I use my Cosbeauty IPL. So the device that I have is called the Cosbeauty Perfect Smooth IPL hair removal, and this is a totally painless way to achieve laser hair removal in the comfort of your own home and also save so much money because it is so much more affordable to use your Cosbeauty at-home laser hair removal device than actually having to go into a salon. To answer some questions regarding at-home hair removal using the Cosbeauty IPL hair removal device, this device is painless. So a lot of people do ask, is it painful? And I have to say, in my experience, it really is not painful. Now, there are different levels that you can use. They start at 1 and they go all the way up to 5. So you just push the button here and you can go through the various levels, so you can up the intensity. And for me, it's not painful. You do feel some heat on your skin. It's very quick though. You don't hold the device in the same area for too long because then you might experience more discomfort, but you only have to leave it in one section that you're working at a time. It's very quick, very easy, very painless, and it's super easy to use. This Cosbeauty IPL hair removal device for men and women is FDA cleared and utilizes the safest IPL technology. Cosbeauty at-home laser hair removal is one of very few at-home laser hair devices that is FDA cleared. IPL stands for Intensive Pulse Light, and it is one of the most effective technologies designed to stunt hair growth and permanently reduce hair growth on your body. So on your device, you'll see here is the LED screen. Here is the power button and level adjuster. Here is the light cartridge. Here is the charger socket. Here is the thermal vent. Here is the light window, and here is the automatic flashing turn on, turn off, and here's where you can see which power level you're using, and here's where you can see the remaining times. This device is super easy to use. I love how you can do it in the comfort of your home. I do it while I'm watching TV or even on the computer, you know, watching YouTube videos, or you could be talking on the phone, you know, and it's just yourself. There's no technician there, so you feel comfortable. You can do it whenever you have time. So whether it be in the middle of the night, you know, in the middle of the afternoon when you just have a quick moment, and you don't need an appointment, so it's super easy to use. So let's get into some tips and tricks on how you use this device to achieve at-home laser hair removal. So first things first, you want to start with clean, dry skin, and it is best to shave before you use your at-home IPL hair removal device. So you can shave the day before, or you can shave that day, the area that you want to do hair removal on, but you want to start with smooth skin that is already shaved. So you don't want to put it on hair that's already there. You want to shave that hair down and then go ahead and use your IPL hair removal device. So again, just make sure there's no hair on the area that you're going to be treating, and make sure that the area is dry. So then you just want to go ahead and take your Cosbeauty IPL device and you just put it onto the area of your skin that you want to treat. Here I'm going to show how I've used it on my bikini area, and I've gotten fabulous results. I also do use it on my face, and it has taken away hairs that were growing on my face, so I love to use it like that as well. So I just hold it on one section at a time. I let it pulse about 3 times and then I move on to another section. So we do the whole area. And that's pretty much it. It's painless, it's super easy to use, it doesn't cause your skin any irritation, and you save so much time and money doing it at home. So how often do you use your laser hair removal device is a question that I get asked a lot. And so the first 4 treatments you want to do once every 2 weeks. For uses 5 through 7, you want to use it once every 4 weeks. And after 8 uses, it's recommended to use every 4 weeks to consolidate your effects. And that's pretty much it. It's super easy to use. And the only other thing is to clean your Cosbeauty IPL hair removal device. It does come with this really great silk cloth, and you just wipe the head right here very gently, and it just helps to keep it clean and ready for your next use. So I also just love the design of the Cosbeauty IPL hair removal device. It makes a great gift for yourself if you would like to treat yourself or treat a loved one. It's such a great gift. And it is available on Amazon, so I'll have everything linked below if you'd like to check it out for yourself. And if you have any other questions, leave them down below as well, and I'll get back to you and do an updated video. So that's pretty much it. I hope you're all doing good, and I will see you very soon. Bye.